Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you some methods to fix iMessage not working, can't send or receive messages. First, force close the iMessage app if it opening. Next, open Settings. Tap Messages. Toggle the switch next to iMessage to turn the feature off and then back on again. Also care to check the phone number or email address inputted in the Send and Receive from section. If necessary, update the information using the correct phone number or email address. If the iMessage not working issue still persists after this, then move on to the next method. Method 2. Toggle airplane mode on and off. First, force close the iMessage app if it opening. After that, open Control Center. Tap the plane icon to turn airplane mode on and disable all connections. After 30 seconds, tap the same plane icon to toggle airplane mode off. Allow your phone to reconnect to Wi-Fi or re-enable cellular data if you're using data for iMessages. Make sure you've got a connection and enough data. Once your internet connection is restored, try creating a sample message to send as iMessage on your iPhone. If the iMessage still not working, try restart your device. Method 4. Check the Apple's iMessage server status. Although this rarely happens, the possibility does exist. If the iMessage server is down, no one can use the iMessage feature. You can go to the Apple official site to check the information. Method 5. Update your iPhone, iPad and carrier settings. To do that, go to Settings. Tap General. Tap Software Update to check if there is an iOS update available for your iPhone. If there is, update your device. Next, go back General. Tap About. If there is an update, you will see a pop-up notification, then tap OK or Update to proceed. If there is no update, you will only see the About screen. Method 6. Remove and insert the SIM card again. Locate the SIM tray. Depending on your model, the SIM tray is located on either the right or left side of the iPhone. If you have a much older model, like iPhone 3GS, the tray may be on the top too. You will see a tiny hole beside the tray. Insert a paper clip or the SIM ejector tool, which comes with your iPhone when purchased new. The tray should pop up. Remove the SIM. Gently clean the SIM with a dry and soft cloth. Put the SIM in the tray again and push the tray back into the phone. Method 7. Reset network settings. Open the settings of your iPhone. Next, tap General. Scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Now, tap on Reset Network Settings. It will ask for your iPhone's passcode. Enter it. After you enter your passcode, a prompt will appear on your screen asking for your confirmation. Tap on Reset Network Settings to confirm and your phone will restart.